Are you Muslim but you can't read the Holy Quran with proper Tajweed? Are you worried about your kids' Quranic education? No need to be worried more about it, as QuranHost is best online Quran center which offers online Quran reading classes for kids and adults, Quran memorization classes, Understand Quran course, Arabic language, basic Islamic education for kids. QuranHost offers quality Islamic education all over the world, and we have best male and female Quran tutors, one-to-one interactive Quran teaching classes, native Arab and non-Arab teachers, 24 hours availability, then at your preferred time, laptop, smartphone support, whiteboard, audio, video supported. Read Quran in 3 months only. What are you waiting for? Book a free trial class now. WhatsApp +15513333082 or visit our website www.quranhost.com.